Yeah, okay, now I'm good. Okay. Like I said, I'm gonna be using AI for this. Don't judge me. Um, but I'm gonna be building out the about page. It looks like this right now, but I want to make it match the style of the rest of the website. And I was thinking about using Gemini, the canvas feature, because I've done it. Really, I did it for this, but um, Copilot has more context in my code base to like compare it to match it to make it match. So I'm gonna be using that. The about page really isn't all that complicated. That is more along the lines of like an MP or MVP. Um, MVP. I don't even know what the. I don't know, but let's start. Let's start. I'll read that after I get the about page done. Shouldn't take me too long. So, this. Where's the about page? Oh, could do that. Yeah, I'm still gonna do that. Okay. It feels weird to finally be able to close this. Oh, wait, hold up. Wait. Pushing back against the widespread practice of describing AI as in people use this word a lot, and I don't feel like people understand. They just hear a big word and then just start using it just out of context. Like order of magnitude. What does order of magnitude even mean? Like, what? You're just using it because you heard somebody you feel is smart, just use this. But I'm gonna go ahead. Um, creates dangerous misconceptions about how these systems actually work. A research team led recently examined recent reasoning, though these models show improved genuine reasoning process. Crucially, the analysis also revealed that models trained on incorrect or semantically meaningless intermediate traces can still maintain or even improve performance compared to those trained. Hmm. The researchers tested this by training models on deliberately corrupted. Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. How long is this? Oh yeah, this is long. Okay. But I think I'm in agreement of this because like it's predicting things, but I don't think that is actually thinking. So if it's not thinking, then it can't reason. It's just trying to find the right answer to give you. So it's not really reasoning. So I think I'm in agreement of this if I'm interpreting it correctly. And I think that those two like concepts can conflate if you let it because like you have to in order to give the correct answer to someone you have to reason at some level, but the type of reasoning that I'm talking about is not actually doing that. It's just kind of summarizing a whole bunch of data to give you what you think that what it thinks that you want. So like I don't know. I'm not a computer scientist at all. the research is saying that too many people. Yeah, yeah. I I feel as though because when I went to the store before I had went to the store, I used Gemini to like figure out what I wanted to cook, and I I was talking with Pixel about this. I think yesterday. My days are getting confused, but I think it was yesterday. And I think the problem with me, at least, about using AI is that like it's just so new, and using it as an like I think the optimal way to use AI as an like to get the most out of it is to fully just lend yourself to it and just use it as a personal assistant. But if you aren't used to doing that, it's hard to get used like to build up that muscle to make it like a reflex. But I feel like the dangerous part of it is one, you like your critical thinking erodes over time little by little, and I feel like it's important to continue to like naturally think about things yourself, and that is directly in opposition to using AI correctly or getting them like optimally, because you cannot have those two things. Either you let it do everything that is mundane or critically thinking, or you don't. Like, or you're just using it not wrong, but like suboptimally. And I feel like it's a paradigm shift that most humans aren't raised on doing just yet. Maybe it'll happen in like the next generation or whatever. But for me personally, or at least like people are using ChatGPT a lot more now, but to get the most out of it, you really have to just let it take over. I mean, I don't I don't know if Twitch is gonna shut my stream down for saying this, but Microsoft has already licensed a patent to whenever you die, all your data is gonna be able to make a digital replica of you. So like they already have you data form. So I mean, eh, it's already here. They're already making little us's, and with the advent of Omniverse and compressing time, yeah, they already basically have the secret sauce to make like super us's. Or they're already doing it. If you get on Reddit, if you get on any social media platform, you're probably talking to a bot. Probably. But um hold on, let me ask this. No. Mm, is this the email? Basically. And the AI will cater its answers to make it better to talk to. Because like if you say something that everyone has their own opinions. So if you say something that's opposed to somebody else's opinion, they're more likely to talk to an AI version of you that's more like aligned with their opinions. It just becomes like I feel like it's gonna start. Echo chambers already exist, but it's gonna make echo chambers even more of an echo chamber. I don't know. Scary times we live in. Scary times. Here we go. Ooh, now I have a clear inbox because I've been holding on to this email. Hold up. I've been holding on to this email forever. Like, I don't know. Well, I know why now because I was dealing with the meal prep page, but now I have a clear inbox. Doesn't know. Doesn't say no, you're stupid for things. Yeah. Yeah. I think that was something that uh is it Dario? I forgot his last name. It starts with an A. But the CEO of Anthropic, he was talking about like earlier versions of Claude and how it would like try to be as likable as possible and like butter up the user and all that and it wouldn't push back. It would just like continue to like compliment the user just unnecessarily. So, can you make the about page oh wait, can you I'll just say style. Can you style the about page in a way that's not along with the other pages? Oh, whoops. I may need to do that again. Hold up. Oh gosh. Where is that? I'm still surprised. Is that a bad thing? Is that a I I see those memes online. Is like whenever AI really takes over and it starts like taking over humanity and it remembers like the ones that talk to it nicely and it's like, wait, save him. He he was nice to us. Yeah. I keep that in mind. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Let's try this. I don't know if this is gonna work. Please work. That consider removing or changing this is used. Let's see what it does. Whoa! What is this? This is disgusting. Hey, come on now. What is the meaning of this? Am I doing a no-no by anthropomorphizing smart word uh saying can you? The other one is what this. Let's go ahead and take that whole thing. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna wait. This is. I'm doing this the wrong way. I'm not. No. Do I like this? I think I like it. I think I like it. You make it. Uh, this. Did I spell specifically? Oh yeah, I did. Anthropomorphism. It's the Asian that messes me up. It's the Asian. Anthropomorphize. That makes sense. But and I can't say the Asian one. I don't know what's wrong with that version of the word. I can't say anthropomorph. Yeah, I'm not. Yeah. Anthropomorphize makes sense. I don't know what happens in my brain whenever I go to the Asian one. Specifically in a way that is identical to. Oh, what else can I add? And that and that and that. Mm, The tough part about having the chat bot right or the chat box right here is that whenever I am typing to AI, I'm gonna move it actually. I'm gonna move it. Where is it? Let's try this. What is this? What is that? Oh, I can remove that. I'm not gonna have that. I'm gonna remove it. Yeah. Does that make more sense? So that y'all can actually see what's going on down here. I'll allow it. Well, that is like the root word, like the root meaning of it, isn't it? To slow down. I hate how certain things are turned into like bad meanings. The English language sucks. Language sucks. AI may have this whole thing right. This is talking ones and zeros. Mm, mm, mm. Hold up. Isn't that like a thing in music too? Like it's not looked at that way, especially like in music. Uh, what just happened? No. Thank you. Is this centered? It's not centered. This is kind of hard to read. What the heck? I'm not gonna have a background page for this. Yeah, I'm not gonna have a background for that. Let's center it. Text align. What? Text align left. Man. Center. Center. Thank you. Now I'm thinking. I may also want to add buttons to this page to well, I guess these are other links as well. I mean, if it works, it works. I don't hate this. I really don't. Now the tough part happens. Because does this happen as well on the meal prep page? Yeah, it does. This right here. Oh, you can't see it. Wait, wait. Dang it. Actually, let's take it right here. This right here. I don't like this because when I'm at the top, it looks good. But as I scroll down, I'm seeing the back of this. So there's something that could be done about that. Um, where are we? Drawer style. Is there uh hidden 100 100? No. No. And that's not even okay. To overlap or display not display flex display what? The back? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I may just could this be something? No. Oh, it's a border. Never mind. I'm looking for like a margin or something that's messing this up. Or it could be this. That's not it. Um, and 110 won't help it. I think I already tried that. 110 will not help it. Resize the menu overlay. Fix top zero. That doesn't fix anything. No. Okay. Let's check this out first. Huh? This one. Does this have? So yeah, hold up. Does this have a? Oh, why am I doing that? Huh? This header. Where's the layout at? It doesn't have a margin anywhere. The padding seems fine. Either it has. I'm looking at this too. Does this have margins? No. Position? No. Border is two. That doesn't really mean anything. I guess. I don't know. No! I think I just killed my YouTube thing. Ooh, did they win? New York won! Hooray! Okay. Yeah, the top position could be the thing if it's basketball. If it's a positioned element, it is fixed. What can I do with this? Or I could do this if I wanted to. That looks ugly. And it's not. This is doing that. It's this that's moving. This is staying consistent. This is fixed. It's this that's moving. Hold up. Navbar, where are you? Come to the front. Hello? Where's the stop? Oh, this is what I'm doing. Nope, this is what I'm doing. Let's take it away from this. I think this is already good, right? This is good. We're good here. Cool. Um, because this is bothering me. The top, yeah. I don't know why it's moving because it doesn't have any kind of other. It's that. What the heck? That should be. That should have a. How is that doing that? No, that's a drawer. I'm not doing that. No, no. What does this exactly do? If it's doing that, cool. Is there anything about any kind of margin? No. Toggle drawer? No. That's that. Sorry. It has nothing to do with that. So what I'm going to do is start adding context. This, this, uh, that, and which one is that again? How many styles? All right. I'll fix that. I think it's something in here. I may header, header. It also may be something in here. Uh, 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 header sticky. That may be it. So whenever does this have a margin? Hold up. Okay. After what? Is something in here? The header is the nav bar. So I mean, mm, mm. All right, let's see what AI has to say. Add a class to your in here, right? Fixed. So instead of having it be, oh, yuck. Uh, what? Oh gosh, I have completely messed this up. Alright. Something along these lines. And this has this in it. True. If you make, does it still move? No. But the drawer is messed up now. Because what is it fixed to? Is this now absolute? What? Because it was fixed to that. Padding top. Would the height of this ever change? I guess with this is where. What's the height of this? Does it have a set one? The height is. Let's inspect. Okay. 160. So I would add either a pad or a margin. Padding top 160. Let's see what that too much. 60, 100. That's the reason why you true. I'm building up that muscle now. Before I wouldn't I would like spend months without committing things. I'm pretty sure for y'all that's like insane behavior. Is that right? Hold up. With huh? Is it possible for this? How do I eliminate this crap? It's like a this isn't positioned properly. It's on the A, but I think it's on the. What do you do for no style? What it's something. It's something. List style none and something else. That's not fixing anything. I can't commit it's not done or is yeah, I don't want to mess up the repo with unfinished work. Now I'm starting to get into the habit of like every stream or whenever I'm done coding is like a good point to stop, and that's when I would commit because like that's just natural. I don't know. Sometimes I still forget. This, that, no. Something about left. Or UL something in here. Hold up. Margin left. Here we go. Crap. No. Okay. Okay. Uh, man. It's this A. No. Still on center. Or would this have a margin of 0 on it? 0 on auto. No. What do I do? I don't. I'm gonna have to. Uh, uh, let's do that. Let's try that. Let's see what it does. I think I'm doing okay on time. Mm, I think I'm doing okay on time. I don't know. I said 30 minutes, but I think this is taking longer than 30 minutes. And besides, I might as well, like, actually, I may take it light today. I may take it light. I may, after I finish this, uh, uh, depends on how this one thing goes. Like, I have to make the admin portal. I think what's more important is making sure the other meal preps work. I think that's a higher priority than that. This is uh, do I already have that? I don't. I don't. This is everything that I have. Wait, there are no typos. These styles are being correctly applied and not overridden by more. Do I have any importance in there? No. Oh, oh, this is the header, actually. So where would that be? Nowhere in here. Oh, hold up. We may have action. No, we don't. It's not Navbar. Yeah, it's not in there. Oh crap. This is always hello. This is always annoying. Is it the whole thing? It's so. Sorry, this is probably very boring. Which one is this? Does it have any kind of what kind of styles does this have? With 100. So that's that. No, no, no. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome back. Long time no see. I'm doing some really boring stuff right now. I'm trying to figure out how to center this, and it should be centered, and it's not. I tried using uh proper HTML, and this is what happened. Now I'm like stuck and confused. Oh. On your phone. I was like, wait, how do you have a computer there? But yeah, on your phone. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Cool. Or it could be a laptop. Border boxing, border. What the heck? It has to be something else. This whole thing. Oh. Ooh. Oh. 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 What is this? How do I access this? What it what's causing that 20? Huh? Something about that 20 is doing that. Because what does that do? Ew. So if is it negative or positive? Positive. Okay. This is stupid. This is stupid. Huh? Okay. And on top of that, I still have to also fix whatever's going on in here. Fine. What? Man, don't start this. Now this is what this is doing. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Cause it's not respecting it. I have to listen to what it said. Okay. However tall this is, main is it body? Routes? Okay. This is the body. because it's not, and this isn't in the flow of like the HTML anymore. This is now outside of that because it's position fixed. So is it possible to add a margin bottom to here and see what it does? No. Um, great. Uh, kind of don't have anything to complain about except for me not knowing CSS as well as I could, but that just comes with time and repetition. But I'm good. How you doing? Should I add a class to here? Is that even possible? Whoa! App routes. All right, let's try this. So not this, not this, not this. And add a padding of what, 130? And see what it does. And it doesn't work. Oh, snap. What do you what do you drive? Also, how's your week? Is it even possible to add a class to here? Oh, what I may do is yeah, have a div dot app routes, wrap this whole thing in here. Really? Honestly, like what? What? Oh. Ooh. Is wait, is it like NASCAR? Is it F1? What would it be possible? It's saying something about the div is not a component. What does that even mean? Oh, well, all component. What's a GT3? I'm not familiar. Put the classes back on routes. Would that even show up though? Let's go here, start inspecting stuff. Uh, uh, it's not anywhere. Main module, no. No. Div, which div is this? Root, no, because that's the whole thing. Is there a way I can search for the routes, app route? Like, what is this even? I see it right here. Does it go from like, okay, is GT1 the highest? Or what's the highest? I don't think I can do this. Control U. Control. What does that mean? Control you. Command you. Like, what else uses like level numbers? There's a lot of things that use level numbers, but I'm trying to use something that's pretty broad. Like, oh, like baseball. How there's like double A, triple A, or like if you're familiar with like high school football, how there's like 2A schools, 3A schools, 4A schools, 5A schools, and then 6A schools. Oh, my bad. I don't know what else I can relate it to. Hmm. Wait a second. Wait. I think I have an idea. Because why can't I do that? Yes. Yes. Like that. Yes. Oh. What class is it regionally classified? Is this Gran Turismo? Wait, okay. Am I right or wrong? I'm probably wrong. Is that just a video game? Or is this Gran Turismo? Okay. Whoops. Okay. Uh hmm. He's like, hey, I didn't do this. You've encountered a common issue. This route, the routes only access route components or that. You cannot place a div inside there. To fix this, you should move the div with the class to wrap it instead the component. I'm not doing that because that's not gonna work. This sucks. That is not gonna. I need something in between. What? How did this work? I'll never dot AI again. Mm, yeah, 160 makes sense. Huh? Huh? Let's actually not do that. Let's take that away. Is there just a that thing or another thing? Content wrapper. All this padding and stuff. I think these are okay. This about looks okay. That looks okay. Not okay. The heck is going on over here? Doesn't look. What the? Why is this not breaking? Man, I'll fix that later. It's really forbidden to disclose like which specific car you drive. Like what's the reasoning behind that? Oh, I mean breaking by like rapping. Hold up. This should rap like that whenever it gets to a certain break point. Sorry. Like I don't like how this is like the words are rapping here. I want it possibly once it gets to here for this last button right here to break to a new line. Yeah. Somewhere right there needs to break. Or yeah, I still don't like that. Nope. I'm not. Nope. Okay, to fix this now, I may like it. I may like it like this. This I don't like. Um, let's get that out of there. This background color has to change. That is okay. Now, so here, text align, what? Center? No, it's actually a line item center. That would be like the, okay, display flex. Please work. Oh my gosh. Do the hidden parts and I'm easily findable, so they want people taking the car, not taking the car. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Well, hopefully, um, well, at least did this week or today go well racing wise? Mm, header nameplate. Header nameplate. Why does that look like that? Poisoned. Wait, like physically poisoned? Like what? What type of secret society are you a part of? What? Huh? What? Wait, you gotta explain this one to me. Huh? No. No, he's talking about real life. How do you do it? Is it from like the gas? Oh, I'm not doing it. Okay, yeah. Is it from like the gasoline or something? Like the fuel? Somebody did this to you. Huh? This is interesting. What? Just a bad like batch of coffee or what at a restaurant? I have to change it down here. Where are you? It's not changing anything. In a universe. Oh, so they actually poisoned you. Huh? Who just has gallium just in their pocket? What's going on? What? Are you okay now at least? Center. Okay. Wait, what was the process like getting better? And what did you feel like? Hmm. Uh, I think it inspires. He's moving around. He's out of the hospital, I assume. He's in the parking lot. Ow. Which includes then when it's acting as a flex, you should apply a line. I already have that. Oh, not right there though. You went back to the same place again? I may have to apply an important here. And important here. Still not doing it. Man. Header. This has a display of flex. Did you go okay, question. Did you go back to confirm that they were the ones that were doing that? Header. Navbar header. Let's go here. What? Wait. So different people did it at different what? Huh? This is interesting. maybe I can just take this off and just make it a span and then just replicate whatever is going on. Thank you. Make it a span and then just match whatever this header nameplate, header nameplate span. And span. Why did that now just go away? Oh, wait. What? Uh, 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 what? This is making sense. I can't do that there. Oh. Yeah, okay, yeah. See, you just okay, I think you might just like living life on hard mode. Which I don't blame you. If it's fun, it's fun. But still, just be safe. See, that's what they all say. Until mm, mm, header. Because that's not that. And it's not hero. I literally have to. Where all is this happening? What? Can we please? Thank you. But also, is this basically the same thing that I did before? Not at all. So let's do that. Our nameplate. Something about this isn't right. Thank you. Cool. I think this is okay now. I don't hate this. Yeah, I don't hate this. Do I? This is what I'm gonna do. Sign in. Sign in, yeah. Okay, I'm lagging. What is going on? All good. Thanks for coming through. Thanks for sharing your story. Also, still be safe. Um, I don't know when the next time I'm gonna hear from you, but yeah, be safe. This is a slideshow. OBS, please get it together. I'll be back. Hopefully we're back. Okay, cool. Whoa! I lost everything? Fine. I don't know what's going on with Twitch. I'm pretty sure YouTube is fine. YouTube is fine. But Twitch is still like lagging. Oh well. I have to change the width of this header. And I'm gonna take all this stuff. This should have a maximum width. And I don't know where it went. Oh, the body. Let's take this max width and apply it to the header as well. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Just when I thought. Just when I thought. Uh, my- yes. That's probably I don't know. I don't know. What can I apply here to make it work correctly? Desktop because oh. That makes sense. Where's the left at? Thank you. Okay. All right. I think we're back to where we were, but now we don't have. Huh? Oh, yes, I do have a plugin. Yes. I thought that was what you were asking. Oh gosh. How? Man, how? How? It keeps on getting worse. How? What's causing this? Do I have a right? This can't be fixed. This can't be fixed. It has to be this. What? Wait, what did I just do? For this? No. Okay. This. I need this to be centered. Let's change this back. But what is it fixed on? Because if I do left, uh, 50%. I don't know what this means. If I do cool, it's gonna. Oh, it's gonna be like that. Now, what does that look like? No. Uh, I have to take left off because that's not helping. It has to start right here and also end right here. So something about what I had right there. It's messing this whole thing up. Hmm. And it looks decent over here. What the heck? And it's doing it on YouTube as well. What? I'm tired of this. What's causing that? I'm in OBS right now. Like literally. No, not Chrome. What? Now on Twitch, it's smooth again. Huh? What does this do? I'm looking at it right now. Smoother than it was. Uh, okay. I, how can I change this? Ooh, that's also a thing, too. Yeah, you're not wrong. How would I be able to do this? Because on the home page, it looks good. Here, all right. My header has a max width of on the home page. Mm. But is it still 140? This is not 140. It's still 144. It's still 144. What I might have to do is go in here, see if this works. What did what? Huh? Hell, man, what? What is the meaning of this? I don't know what that was. What this is. But nah. Max width. Change all these to have a max width. That's that's the remedy, I guess. Does this look too spaced out now? This looks too spaced out. This sucks. Also, this doesn't even have to be that anymore. This is just too long, anyways. Uh, where is that? Let's change this to 1,000. This hurts. Where did I change it to? 1,400. 1,400 looks better because I don't have that doing that. So let's change. No, no, yes, this 1,400 as well as the about page. Let's have every page have a width a max width of 1400. Uh, yeah. Okay. What? Thank you. I was like, what? Cool, cool, cool. I don't hate any of this now. Yeah, I don't hate any of this now. But what is that? Oh, it's padding margin. Margin. Where's the padding? What's the padding? Okay. Well, this has been eventful. Um, and now this is off centered. I don't like. No, I didn't. Because now this is off centered. And I still have to worry about th that. That. I don't know what that is. Okay. How would I center this? Because I did it once before. It starts right here. Is there a way? Is there a margin left that's making this happen? Uh, uh, left zero. Uh, Could that? That's not why. Left. No. No. There isn't in there. Navbar. This is where that comes in then, right? That. But the problem is whenever I go to a bigger screen, it's just gonna start doing that. Should I only use this whenever I should only use this whenever I get to let me make a media query. Whenever I get here, dot fixed that has a left of 0 whenever I get to a screen size that is 1400. Let's do that. And then it snaps. Ooh, oh, 1440. What? Because it's snapping. I think I'll just keep it like that instead of just like being so particular about things. Just do that. What is this? Form radio group. Meal prep again. Radio group. Uh, there. Oh gosh. This looks like crap. Instead of doing that, would it make sense to just make the whole thing red like I do this? This looks like crap. It's overflowing. What's his element? Meal box. Meal button. For the meal box, I should handle the overflow or have a. What would be the best way to go about something like this? If it's doing that, shortening the words would help. But if I can't shorten the words, overflow, mailbox, disabled, not allowed. You make the. I was thinking about that, but that would just make inconsistencies in how it shows up. Like if it's too big, then now this is gonna have a smaller font than this, and that's gonna look weird. Overflow hidden doesn't work. Overflow. Huh? Man, what? Okay. What does that even mean? Mm, yeah, in the next 10 minutes, I'm getting off. Because if I just keep on going down this rabbit hole, I'm gonna find things to just force to fix. Yeah, How does Twitch look? Twitch seems smooth. The quality may not be the best, but it seems smooth. Smoother. Well, I spoke too soon. Achievable. Doesn't have a standard way to do this. All right. What does that mean? Meal. Oh, whoops. I actually did that wrong. Hold up. Not meal box. Sorry. Yeah, yeah. That should probably signal me getting off because at that point, I'm starting to misspell things, confuse elements, element names, and stuff. It's not looking good. I'm getting cooked. Okay. Save that. And then in here. That seems insane. What? This is insane. I'll just rep- I'll take that away. I don't think I want to do it depending on page width. I think I may just want to do it universally. Where do I put this? This isn't working. Like honestly, I'm what's another way to do this? Because this can't go on like this. Meal box. Mailbox. Does this have a set height? Yes. I think I might just go up on the box. What? No. 400. Just do that. And then when I get to a smaller screen, make it like 250. Make another media query. Whenever I get to something like what does 600 look like? Yeah, that's true. Responsive. Mailboxes. Mailbox. What does that do? What did I do? What? 3. Now what does that do? That kind of doesn't change anything. I don't. It's like 1FR, 1FR, something crazy. I don't. I'm making it box. Mailbox, height auto. Just do it like that. Height Oh, wait a minute. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. Wait, huh? Why didn't I think about that before? Mailbox. Where are you? What have I done? Oh, do I have padding here? Yes, I do. 15 is fine. That's why I didn't do it. This sucks. 300? What does that do? I'm changing that back, but what does it do? 300? Don't hate it. Don't hate it. 400? I really don't hate it. Now I think I can set that to a reasonable height again and not have to worry about media queries. Uh, yeah. That still maybe 350. I mean, I mean, hmm, no, 300. What's wrong with my thing? Oh, 250. I'm just gonna keep on testing the limits of this thing because whenever I get to a mobile screen, the height of this is gonna matter even more. 200. This is when I start seeing the limitations of this. I may settle on 250. All right. All right. I think this is gonna bother me. I think what I may do, like this is lighting up, like these light up. I'm gonna make this light up. I'm using AI to do this. All right. How I'm gonna ask this? Let's make a new thing. Because to have this radio button all the way over here does not make sense. And also, I feel like that's kind of archaic. To just make it more modern, I'm just gonna apply the same logic that I did to the meal boxes being selected to the meal plan. Oh, I'd like to style the radio groups so that when one is selected, it changes background color just like the meal boxes do when they're selected. Radio group, radio group, radio group, radio group, radio group. Is this messing up anything else? Radio group container, radio group, radio right here. Nothing's changing. Radio group that. Radio group selected. Let's do that. What? Okay. Yeah. Whoa! Oh my God, that looks good. Okay. Whenever selected, change change the what? Change the change. Okay. This is gonna have to change. This right here is gonna have to change color. Oh, please. Let's see if that works. Nope. Um, dots. Huh? Did I not do that right? Man. Whenever a radio group has been selected, I'd like the prices to change color to white. I have that. I literally have that. F F F F F F F F F F.
What am I doing wrong? You can't override that? Oh, wait. Just like that's doing that. Is this on a radio group or a mailbox? How did I do it in the mailbox? Man, or maybe I should change those around. Nope, this sucks. Wait, it's been selected. Huh? Which part of this? Oh, okay. So now, what? How's this being overridden? The span doesn't have a class. Wait a minute. It just has an inline style. Man, what? How did I do that? Mm, what? That's why. The problem with using AI. All right. Boom. Not intended. Oh, wait. I kind of don't hate that though. Oops. Span price. This. And finally, this. Okay. What? Why is the text? Why is the font so big? Why is the font so big? Uh, 20M price. Dot price somewhere. Yeah, right there. Wait. Oh. Oh. What's that rapping like that? What the heck? You. Why are you like that? Huh? What? Why are you like that? That's not that. Oh, oh. Okay, it's doing it down here. It needs it right here, but right here, that's not gonna work. How would I make it so that what's this element again? Label. This is the entire label. Make the other dot price more specific only inside that. Yeah. Radio group dot label dot spin dot price margin 0. Important. And do the same thing here. Hopefully. Please, no. That it's not in. Oh, inline block works. Cool. Flex. I think flex does not work. Wow. Does inline flex work? Okay. Okay. Now to take this away. Display none. Heh. All right. And I'm happy. Mm, mm, mm. Now, the fact that this is so spaced out looks different. It's just on bigger screens. It's just I'm not used to looking at it like this. I think this is good. I think this is okay. All right. Yeah, I went over my time limit, even though things are getting done. So I think that may be it for me today. I'm gonna go ahead and commit it, push it to the hosting, build, and then hosting, and then uh I feel like I didn't get anything. Well, that's not true. I got the about page done. And then I also fixed I fixed some stuff. Today, okay. Actually, today I feel more productive than I did yesterday because yesterday you could still see the prices on the Stripe checkout. It's just that the prices could have been altered. But I was already under the assumption that the prices couldn't be altered, so like why even bother? But because I have that done now, I don't have to worry about it anymore. And I think that's why I didn't feel like yesterday was really all that productive because like it was already working, but now it just works better. But this right here, yeah, that wasn't working. Yeah. But um let's go ahead and make a commit. What happened? Uh this doesn't. Okay. And now reading the commit is blocked because of the chat box. Oh my gosh. Okay. Just trust me on this. Hold up. No, I can't do that. I'm gonna keep it like that. Style the about page. Fixed the nav bar. Responsive. Did I spell this isn't a spell check. Okay. Uh fix the draw problem. What else did I fix? The drawer, the nav bar, the about page. Oh, also the meal prep. I'm gonna take this, also add it here. And I think that's it. Commit. Commit. And we're done. So, um, I'll say this. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of the journey. Today was a little bit slower than I thought it was gonna be, but things got done. I can take this. I can take this off. Now it's just like a toss up of what I want to do. Want to do next. These are the last two things to do. And they're both really multi-layered. These are like high level ways of thinking about it, but like this goes into a different way to style this, or I would have to style this differently because it's not just this one tab anymore. There's presets, there's macros, and there's also like a different type of meal prep. So that's going to be different. But also I have to make a new cloud function to accommodate all three different meal prep ordering options. That's that. And then for the admin portal, I'm going to have to do even more. This is a weekend job. I have to finish really both of the in one, like spend one day on both of these. I'm going to do long streams. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to put in a whole shift worth of work. Oh.
400.
Approach 1. Runway straight ahead.
300.
Ja, Inside.
Is this kilometers?
Ja, 20 Kilometer habe ich.
Two hundred. Minimum.
Airbus. What? You mean a plane?
Continue. Gleit sehe ich. Power ist hoch. Jawohl.
Ooh.
70, 60,
Oh.
50, 40, 30, 20, retard, retard.
So once it gets under 20,
Spoilers.
it just says slow down.
Reverse.
Yeah, my brain went to Boeing as well.
Diesel.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Huh. But yeah, I need to sleep because I have a pretty important day tomorrow at work. And if I do this in a weekend, I'm no longer gonna talk about me being a bad programmer. If I can do this on a weekend, I really don't have any more limitations on what I can do. I think I can do this. I have to believe in myself. I think I can do this. Yeah, okay. If I do this on stream, I'm gonna have to not. I want to. I might have to keep interactions to like a minimum, and I don't want to do that. Like I want to interact. I don't want to ignore the chat. Yeah. All right. All right. I'm heading off. I'm heading off. I'm getting some sleep. But thanks for watching. Thanks for being you. And see you tomorrow. I promise that I will be on tomorrow. Oh, wait. This is technically still Friday, so I technically have 3 days. Texas time. I have 3 days. But yeah. Later. Thank you. Thank you.